When your Brookstone heated blanket displays an E4 error code, it's signaling that there's a problem within the blanket's system that needs your attention. The E4 error can stem from several different issues. The most common cause is a loose connection between the blanket and its controller, or problems with the blanket's internal temperature sensors and circuitry. Your heated blanket contains sophisticated safety sensors and circuitry designed to monitor temperature and ensure safe operation. Other causes include damage to the heating elements or internal wiring from bending or normal wear, and malfunctions within the controller itself. The internal heating elements and wiring are delicate components that can be damaged by excessive bending, folding, or general wear over time. It's essential to address any E4 error promptly to ensure the safe and proper operation of your heated blanket. Ignoring this error could lead to safety issues or further damage to your blanket. The first step in troubleshooting the E4 error is to verify your power source. Test the electrical outlet to ensure it's providing proper voltage. Next, reset the controller by unplugging the blanket completely. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, then reconnect all connections securely. Carefully examine the blanket and wiring for any visible damage. Look for frayed wires, holes, or other signs of wear that could cause the error. Always plug your heated blanket directly into a wall outlet. Avoid using extension cords or surge protectors, as they may not provide adequate power supply. If you recently washed your blanket, make sure it is completely dry before plugging it in. Any moisture can interfere with the electrical components and cause errors. If the error persists after trying these steps, consult your user manual for model-specific instructions or contact Brookstone customer support. Be aware that some users have reported difficulties reaching customer support.